Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? I have an exciting thing I got. I got the gingerbread palette from Too Face. They had a Christmas in July, and I got the gingerbread palette, and I got their lipsticks, matte lipsticks. And these are scented gingerbread. I don't know about this, but they're scented gingerbread. So let's look at the palette, shall we? Alright, look at how cute. It's a 10. This is so adorable. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at how cute. Really, really adorable. And I'm going to be doing a look with this. So let's get right into it. This is like spiced eggnog. This is frostbite me. Look at how beautiful these are. So I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to create a look. I have my foundation on and my brows, so I'm going to get right into doing this. And actually I'm going to take this off. There's like a little protector, and I could probably just use this mirror. So let's get this thing off. Oh yeah, see? Just use this. So they smell too. So I'm going to, in the crease, put Hot Toddy. This is like an orangey look. So let's put that in the crease. Put Hot Toddy. Oh, I like this. Really nice. They're very nice. So I'm gonna just put it in the crease. This pumpkin color is called Hot Toddy. So let me just take this out. So Hot Toddy is this color. Really, really cute. And I got these last week, I think they came in, but I wanted to try this palette. This is really, really cute palette, honestly. So I think on the lid part, I'm going to put, actually I need a little more on this side. And you can always fix it later. Really adorable colors. So what I do is later on I'll take my blending bud, which I have to get, and so what color would go with this? I think reindeer paws. Let me see. For gingerbread, I would like, what's this one? Warm and Toasty. This is Warm and Toasty, which is cute. I think I'll do Warm and Toasty on my lid. And it's like a goldish color. This is an interesting look. Situated. It's not too bad. And then I'm going to incorporate at the end a darker color. So I'm thinking of putting Gingerbread Latte, which is this one right here. So let's do the Gingerbread Latte on the outer. Or no, it's Shake Till You Make It. That's what it is. Sorry. I gotta get something in my eye. I'm going to take spiced Eggnog. It's very light color. And put it above my eyebrows to make it pop. Just to make it pop my eyebrows. This is a lot of fallout. Noah, can you get my makeup bag for me? Alright, so I'm going to take my skull one, this Spice Life, which is right here. Really, and I'm just kind of going to go over it on the top. And then I'll blend it all out. Just to kind of coordinate the colors together. Thank you, honey. And just kind of outline the top with this. I really like these colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend with my blender. Just soften it up a little bit. Look at the fallout. That's the only bad thing about this, is it seems to have a lot of fallout. Now I'm going to take my blending bud. I keep it in here because I used it. These are the really cute color, honestly, really cute colors. And I always take the blending bud and clean it up. Oh, I like this look. Really, really cute. They have really amazing colors in here. And then I'll probably do another look for you with this palette also. But these are really, really, really cute. Let me see. Maybe this will be... Oh, this is a lot lighter. Oh, yeah. I like it. So, I think this mirror is a little better. See? Oh, yeah. See how nice natural look? And I coordinate the colors together. The only bad thing is the fallout on it. I'm not really too keen on it, but I really love the colors. Honestly, I really like the colors. So these are the colors. I'm going to put it up close so you can see them. Really adorable. And loving, loving, loving the colors. I'm going to see if I could put together another look for you. I just threw this together. I didn't even, like, you know, say, hey, I'm going to put this together as a look. I just put it together. Oh, here's some eye looks. Oh, look at some eye looks with these. Oh, that's cute. And there's another one. So they put together some warm and frosty. Well, that's pretty. But like I said, I just threw it together. I didn't really practice any looks or anything on that. So I got my eye look. Now I'm going to try this limited edition cookie. What is Gingerbread Girl? So I got Gingerbread Girl and I got Gingerbread Boy. So I'm going to do, comes like this. Really cute. And I'm going to put it on for you. It smells nice too. My lips are kind of dry. I like this. So this is Gingerbread Girl. Loving this color. Goes good with the eyeshadow. Look at how pretty that is. So I'm really loving that. Really, really liking that. So that is the look. I'm just keeping it, you know, I'm not going to put on any, so what is this? This is Gingerbread Man. So this is a little, oh, I thought it was darker. Oh, this is actually, this is darker and this is lighter. Huh, weird. Thought it was darker for some reason. Let me see if I could take this off. Oh, I don't think I can take it off. Ooh, this stays on. Okay. Look it. Barely comes off. Okay, so in another video I will put on Gingerbread Boy. I'll keep that in this so I know to show you. So in another video I'll do another look with this palette and try on the Gingerbread Boy for you, because this is not budging. This is pretty good. So with that said, I hope you like it, and these are from Too Faced, and I have another thing that I bought with it to show on another video, and I just threw this look together for this video. I didn't practice it or anything like that, but I like it. It's really a nice palette. It's cute. It just has little fall though, a little bit. It's not bad. But with that said, thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting my channel, and if you like it, put a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.